Hi kids, welcome to my room. I thought I might give you a bit of a tour today. So over here we've got my bed. It's a very comfortable and big bed. And then over here we've got my drum kit. It's really nice. And then over here on the floor we've got lots of stuff. But you see, I've got a bit of a problem. Granny's told me to clean up my room, and that means, well, I've now got 3 problems. 1, I don't know how to clean up my room. 2, I don't know where to start. And 3, how will I know where anything is when I start cleaning up my room?
Hi, Grimshaw. What are you doing?
Oh, hi, Daisy. Well, you see, I've got a bit of a problem. Granny's told me to clean up my room.
Yes, that is a good idea. I can see why. So, what's the problem?
Well, I've actually got 3 problems. Well, 1, I don't know how to clean up my room.
Oh, that's okay, Grimshaw. I can help you clean up your room. I'm very good at cleaning up rooms.
Oh, well, and 2, I don't know where to start.
Oh, that's easy, Grimshaw. You just have to start somewhere.
Oh, well, and 3, I don't know where everything will be once I've cleaned it up.
I don't think you know where everything is now, Grimshaw. It's a little bit messy to find anything.
Well, no it's not. Tell me to find something. I'll find it.
Okay, well, how about you try and find your Narnia book?
Oh, easy. It's just, it's like here somewhere.
Yes, see, Grimshaw, point proven. I think it will be easier to find things when you clean up your room.
Oh, what can we do?
Oh, well, let's just get started, Grimshaw. See, you start over there, and I'll start over here. How does that feel, Grimshaw?
Oh, yes, that is so much better. And it didn't even take that long.
That's right. One final test. Can you find that Narnia book now?
Oh, yes, I know exactly where it is.